Okay, so we go with algebra. And for algebra, we know this is a number, while this is a variable. Variable. Because x is a variable because x can be any number. So when we have x times 5, which is x5, this is called an algebraic term. Okay? Algebraic term. So if you have this plus 7, this is an algebraic expression. Why is this an algebraic expression? It's an expression because we can say it in English. Like, add 7 to the product of 5 and an unknown number. Add 7 to the product of 5 and an unknown number. So we have just made an expression. Now representing it mathematically gives us an algebraic expression. But once we have this plus 7 equals 16. Now this becomes an algebraic equation. Equation because of this equality sign. Equation because of the equality sign. So we have an algebraic term, we have an algebraic expression, and we have an algebraic equation. Now, when the variable is in the power of 2, like we have 5x squared plus 7x plus 8 equals 0, this, because x is to the power of 2, this becomes a quadratic equation. Because it is to the power of 2, it makes it quadratic. Quadratic. What if if it's to the power of 3? If we have something to the power of 3, this is a polynomial. Polynomial. So I hope we are good with it. For our next class, we're going to be talking of how to manipulate, how to simplify, how to expand, how to do stuff with algebra. So we'll be going into the algebraic process. We'll be simplifying some algebraic expressions, and we'll also be solving some algebraic equations before we get into quadratic. So for the quadratic equations, we are going to get 2 roots or 2 solutions. So before that, let's talk about the algebraic process, how to simplify, how to remove brackets, how to expand, and all stuff like that. So if you love this video, you can like, you can subscribe, comment, and share. If you have a loved one that is finding it difficult with algebra,